Microsoft has been beaten down. You got a company that is delivering on revenue, delivering on earnings, but like all the AI stocks or the Mag 7, most of them are just being smashed because of the question over the spending with AI. I wouldn't be surprised if you see Microsoft come out in the next quarter and say, hey, we're pulling back spending on AI, and that kind of energizes its investors. You got to understand that a lot of their financial wealth or their compensation is typically tied to the stock. And I'm sure they don't like it being beaten and battered down either. But at 30% off from its highs, you have to start to ask yourself, what more of a discount or how much more of a discount do I need to see to be bullish or start to take a small position on a company like Microsoft? They had a gap down that you can see back in May of 2025. They had a gap up, and then we had a gap down in January. And so we closed that gap back in May of 2025. We're finding longer term support down here. And again, 30% off from the top. Company pays a dividends if you were to own the stock, but we're talking about the option here. They have the biggest business clientele as well, which I would argue is the best place to be versus relying heavily on the consumer. Their biggest customer is the corporate customer. And so I like Microsoft as a low risk, high reward entry, 30% discount. Again, how much more of a discount do you want? I don't see it going down another 10% to 40 or 50%.